Over the next 2 days, it's my intention that we will be able to provide a roadmap to align the department's strategic goals with the 3 priorities of the Government of National Unity and those that are my focus areas for the remainder of the term through transparency that builds trust to deliver efficiently. Our department has a key role in supporting economic recovery and infrastructure development, optimizing public assets and expanding employment opportunities. These 2 days aim to address structural weaknesses, improve interdepartmental collaboration, and establish clear accountability mechanisms. Systems reform in everything we do will be an answer to many of our problems. This strategic session must solidify the department's role in delivering tangible results this year and beyond. My vision is that the department becomes an economic delivery unit for South Africa. We must take our rightful place at economic reconstruction and delivery in South Africa by using public assets for public good and driving infrastructure development to unlock economic potential. My 3 core priorities are as follows: use public assets for public good, infrastructure-led growth that creates jobs, and expand public works reform. Public assets must be optimized or disposed of to remove the financial burden on the state. We must use these assets to support competent local and provincial government and national government department. Infrastructure must serve as the backbone of economic recovery, with catalytic projects acting as multipliers for growth and job creation. And EPWP must move beyond temporary relief to become sustained job creation and skills development. We need a clear accountability framework that sets specific timelines and milestones for each of the priorities of the government, but also of my priorities. We have to get to a place of performance dashboards where we are able to implement them, because they will be able to monitor progress on each of the key projects and each of the key priorities to ensure that this department, through its relevant branches and entities, are able to deliver on your commitments. And we have to strengthen the relationship between our offices in Cape Town and our offices in Pretoria to ensure seamless communication and a cohesive execution of strategies. We have to establish regular bi-weekly or fortnightly reports from DDGs and senior management to my office on the progress of key initiatives, identifying obstacles and providing solutions. We have to enhance cooperation with other government departments, municipalities and the private sector. Our conclusion is a commitment to 2 things: delivery and growth. There are 2 things that the public will judge us on in 2029. Were we able to grow the economy, and were we able to create jobs? So I ask, ladies and gentlemen, once again, that you join hands with myself, the Deputy Minister, the DG, and all the DDGs, and that we work on this together. On our own, we're not going to make it. But if we work together sustainably, collectively, and in a way that builds trust, I promise you, we will be able to do something that we look back in 5 years' time and say, I cannot believe how far we come.
Maybe what we need to do going forward is to review the department overall strategy for the next 5 years, ensuring that we are aligned to the priorities of the Government of National Unity. We must also review the organogram based on the objectives of the strategy. We must operationalize the property management and trading entity and ensure that the asset optimization strategy is put into effect with at least 20% optimization on identified assets. We must reduce the lease portfolio through both operationalization of asset optimization strategy and renovating our own buildings. We must enhance the performance of construction project management. We must therefore build internal capacity to drive the execution of these projects of construction. We must implement Operation Bring Back, and therefore these constitute key focal priorities for me. We must look on ensuring that we also ensure the implementation of the Public Procurement Act in the built environment. I'm therefore hopeful that this session will give effect and meaning to these priorities, but to all other priorities that we might be having.